This is an unboxing and a review on the Ghost and the Phantom 2 Lego Star Wars kit. This is kit number 75357. Hi guys, Ralph here. I love Star Wars Rebels, absolutely love it. It was absolutely brilliant when it first came out, twisted to a different time before when the Empire was at its peak and the Rebels were starting to come through. If you haven't seen it, if you haven't seen the series, go out and watch it. It's a really good show. It's like watching the Clone Wars, the cartoon. Watch that. There are so much Easter eggs in that you need to watch. So yeah, so anyway, this is the Ghost, and that's the Phantom 2. There was another Phantom, but it got blown up. So we have in here, we have First Officer Hawkins. Don't know who he is. Probably on one of the ships instead, the Rebel ships. We got Lieutenant Beta, who looks quite a lot like Mon Calamari. General Harrison Dula. Jason Syndulla, who is his son. And then Chopper, C110B. So usual box art, and I've said on before ones, I love the sides. If you could display these boxes as they are, you get a little snippet of what the ship is, and then a nice logo up here. So when they're stood up like a book, and these are a bit too big to be a book, you've got the lieutenant on there as well. It is a big box display, unfortunately. So at the back box art there, side angle there. It's not like the Falcon, but there are things like the Falcon on this, so it's, I don't know if it's Corellian or not, probably is. But yeah, this is my first Rebels one I'm going to be building, but that'll be a later date. We've got a play feature on here, so that comes off and you play inside, the cockpit as well. Not sure, because I know the one before this did actually have the cockpit that came off as an escape capsule. I'm not quite sure if that's meant to be one or not. The guns rotate underneath, and I've actually seen a video on this about the turret on top, and somebody's done a modification on that, which does make the whole thing revolve round. So, get inside it, because this is important. Bit of tape there. If you want to go there and there, tape. That will open up like that, which is good. There are reasons I do that, because some of these, when you open them up, they are an absolute nightmare to open, or you'll tear the box. If you're like me, you want to keep hold of the box and store it for whenever, then yeah, you need to keep them as best as you can. So, with the size of this, that thing, so we have box. How many bags we got? 13 bags? Good lord. So we've got 9, 8, 7, 10, 6, 4. That was 6 on that one. 11. There's a 12 missing. There's a 5. There's a 2 over here. There's a 12. Go back over there. And then we have bag 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 12. So we start off with a nice little section there. The good thing about them doing this nowadays, and saying that I've been making Lego forever, is there used to be a box, you'd open it up, all the parts are there. Thing is, with nice little instructions, you can just build this part, and then second part will add on to it, third part. It's brilliant how they do it. And there's nice little, I know me and my partner are going to be making these anyway, but she loves to separate these into different colours, because that's her OCD, not mine. Mine, I would just chuck that bag on the side and then start building from the instructions. So the instructions come in a nice little padded, well, it's a cardboard envelope. So you go across here and open her up. I already have done. And I think I've already registered these kits on the Lego store. I think there are stickers with this, because I put them in here. Good instructions on there. Page count 257. Probably maybe a couple more. Is that the back? It looks like it's the back. 257, 258. Full instructions. Lots of parts to do. Yeah, a heck of a lot of parts to do for that. So the stickers, you've got these, they're not paper, they're more of a laminated one. So you've got the parts for the, looks like the wings and the logos on there. You've also got other parts for venting panels or whatever else stuff. I think that's probably part of a dashboard or something. I'm not quite sure, but we'll get around to this when we actually make this. So, but like I said, this is just an unboxing of what you get. So they're safely inside there and done. So yeah, I do think this is a really good model. I've seen the reviews, and between this and its original version, there isn't much to it. There's slightly different with the cockpit, slightly different, there's more play features inside, I think. But it's still not a UCS set. You wouldn't fit the parts on here if it was a UCS set. But it's a nice little model for building. I mean, it's probably going to end up about, you know, about that big, which is what, 1.5 foot probably. Yeah, the only problem with getting stuff like this is where you're going to always plan where you're going to put them. So if you haven't got a display area to put them, you've got problems, because we've got a few Lego kits for Christmas, and yeah, this is going to be a little problem. There's a few others kits I'm getting as well anyway. I just need to find some space. So anyway, the unboxing of the standard set of 75357, which is the Ghost and Phantom 2 from Lego Star Wars. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, follow me on social media. Consider being a patron, consider a donation, anything like that. Get in touch the best you can, and I will see you guys in another video. Bye-bye for now.